Now be honest, would you wear a full face of beauty supply store makeup on your wedding day? Let's talk about it. We're going to focus on creating a bridal glam look. So we're going to start off with skin prepping. So if you're doing your makeup or you're getting your makeup done, most likely the makeup artist is going to prep your skin because you are the bride. Your skin needs to look flawless. You want to start off with a clean face. So I'm just going to go ahead and mist my face. Red pad that I'm using, you can buy these from the beauty supply store. They usually come in like 3 in a pack, and these are like facial sponges, and people use them to blot. They use them to do what I'm about to do now, to clean the face. So we're just gonna use this to clean our face. Now if I was doing somebody else's makeup, this is something that I would do. I would prep their skin. Make sure you're using a disposable towel. One thing you guys should be doing is exfoliating your skin to get rid of that dead skin. More of a smooth surface. The makeup will glide on your face way better. But I recommend to do this the night before or 2 days before. So the next thing we're going to do is go in with a eye cream. You can either go in with a eye cream or eye patches. I'm going to use an eye cream for today. You want to make sure that concealer is being applied very smoothly. It's not patchy or it's not tugging underneath your eyes. I am going to go in with a hydrating milky toner. Go in with the Nicka K eyeliner pencil in the color dark brown. I'm going to go in with primer. And I want to do primer before my eyeshadow because I want my primer to sit on my skin before my foundation. So therefore, this had enough time to start working on my skin before I put on my foundation. So I'm going to go in with the Ruby Kisses Blur Matte. And I'm going to use this where my pores are very visible. The Nicka K Oil Control Blurring Balm. I have really been loving this. Surprisingly, I'm gonna go in with this. I've really been liking this. I just don't like how you hit pan really fast, but other than that, I do like it. So I'm gonna apply it with my finger. Wherever I get oily, that's where I'm putting the blurring balm. So while that is working on the skin, we're gonna go ahead and start off with eyeshadow. The eyeshadow that I'm using today is the Nicka K 40 Perfect Colored Palette. Now, this is the perfect palette for a wedding day just because it has everything that you need. You have your neutrals, you have your matte shades in here, you have your browns, you have a few warm shades in here, and then most of all, you have some really nice shimmers in here as well. Perfect for a soft bridal glam. So I highly recommend this palette if you're on a budget and you just want some really nice affordable eyeshadows. The first shade I'm using is this brown up here. This is like a warm brown eyeshadow. I want to go in with something warm like a transition shade. This is going to help blend out the other darker shades I'm going to be using in a minute. This palette is very pigmented. Just kind of blow that out, and that's just going to help with any other shades that we're going to be using for today's look. The next shade I'm going to be using is this dark brown. I'm going to take that and put that in my crease. So the next shade I will be using is this black. I do want to smoke out the outer part of the eye and add that black because I do want like a smoky eye. And then I'm going to flick that black in. But I do want to keep the black on the outer part. The first brush that I used for the first eyeshadow, and just use that. I didn't put anything on here. And I'm just going to blend everything together just to blend out the edges. So the eyeshadow I'm going to be using for the lid is from Absolute New York. This is their Luxe Swirl Pearl Sparkle Liquid Eyeshadow. Look at that. This is perfect. actually going to go back and forth with like a brush and the applicator. This is so pretty. Everything linked down below because I know everybody's beauty supply store is different. They sell different things, so you can also get these products online. I'm gonna go in with that black and I'm gonna put that on the edges of that eyeshadow. For foundation, we're using the Nicka K Perfection Liquid Foundation, and I have the color Mahogany. Like the formula on this foundation, it lays really nicely on your skin. Like I said, keep in mind it is kind of thick, so you don't need a lot, so you can gradually kind of build up the coverage. But I mean, other than that, it looks pretty good. To conceal underneath my eyes, I'm going to use the Kiss Pro Touch Full Cover Concealer, and I'm actually going to probably going to use two shades. Use this first shade first. This is Cappuccino. I usually use another shade, but I don't have that shade anymore. I ran out, so I'm going to use Cappuccino. And then I'm going to take this shade called Warm Honey, and I'm going to use that in the inner corner just to kind of brighten up everything a little bit, just in the inner corner. I take the Nicka K Perfection Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade Buttercup, and I'm going to go ahead and use this to set underneath my eyes. Going in with my Ruby Kisses Matte Powder Foundation in the color Chestnut. So I'm going to go in and powder my face with this. And I'm going to go in underneath my eyes just a little bit, just to set that. Go on my forehead. And I like to take a flat brush to press in my powder. And we want to make sure we're kind of like powdered down, because once again, it's our wedding day and we want to look extra flawless, and we don't want to be getting oily extra fast. On your wedding day, of course, you want to look snatched. So the best thing you want to do is to contour. So we're going to go in with the Absolute New York Multi-Face Color Stick. You can use this for your eyes, face, and your lips. And I have the color number 3, and this is perfect to contour with. So we're going to use this on our forehead, and once again, this is from Absolute New York. I'm going to blend in that cream contour. We're gonna go in with another Absolute New York product. This is their butter bronzer, and this is in the color Butterscotch, and we're gonna use this to bronze our face. Beautiful. I'm gonna add a little bit on the forehead. Okay, and then for the sake of the wedding day, I will add a little bit on my nose. I don't contour my nose. All right, let's fix these brows. I like to do my brows towards the end. Well, I like to fix them towards the end, so I'm just using my ring finger, how ironic, to blend out my brows in the front. And just so my brows won't be blocky, I will take the brush that I use for my powder and just go in between the middle, just to kind of clean it up right here. Supply stores should have this blush palette. I feel like every beauty supply store that I go in, they have this blush palette. Now you can buy this on Amazon, but Beauty Treats they do have this on their website, but they sell it as wholesale. But I feel like every beauty supply store I go in, they have this palette. I think I'm gonna do this one. I think I'm gonna do this blush right here. Okay, I think I made a good choice. I'm gonna take it up, put a little bit underneath my eye, a little bit. Okay, so this is pretty. Okay. And you know, you can go crazy with the blush, not too crazy, but just build it up just enough where it looks good. But okay, I think this color is a good choice. Okay, that's pretty. And of course we have to add highlighter. So this is the Ruby Kisses All Over Glow bronzer, but it's really a highlighter. So this is in the color Bronze Glow, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you all have this in your collection or had it, but it's just a really pretty highlighter. Kind of look like a MAC highlighter in a sense. Really, really pretty. I'm trying to find a place to swatch it, but I like it because it's very soft. Do y'all still wear highlighters? I don't put mine on as often as I should, and I have a lot of highlighters, so I need to start making some decisions. Do I want to keep them in my collection? But they're so pretty. Like, honestly, you only need maybe 2 at the most. That is, ooh, that is so pretty. Ruby Kisses. Ruby Kisses, y'all. So, so pretty. Ooh, I love it. So the next thing we're gonna do is pick a lip combination for this here look. I'm using the Absolute New York Maxi Plump lip liner, and this is in the color Espresso. Use the Kiss New York lipstick. This is in the color Honey Glaze. Then I'm going to go in with the Ruby Kisses Butter Balm Gloss, and this is in the color Like a Virgin. I mean, that's ironic for this video as well, but never mind. So pretty. So we're going to put that on top. I'm going to go in with a lip gloss from Broadway. This is just the Shea Butter. This is a clear lip gloss, and I'm going to use a lip brush, and I'm going to put the clear lip gloss on the outer part, like around the lip liner. I spray my face with the Absolute New York Matte Probiotic Setting Spray. So we're almost done with this look. I had to go ahead and do my hair and put on like a shirt that mimics a wedding dress. Last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna basically try to look like a glazed donut. And you can get all of this from the beauty supply store. So the first one I want to share with you all is from ORS. This is their 24-hour golden glistening spray. Now this is the only color it comes in. On a good body glitter spray, this is it. This is perfect. It lasts all night. I have worn this plenty of times. I love that it's in this hair spray bottle, so all you gotta do is just spray. It's so freaking pretty. So just imagine if you put like some body oil on you and then you spray this on you, like, oh my god, you're just gonna look like a sexy disco ball. This is from the beauty supply store. It is a body glitter spray, and you can spray it in your hair as well. The spray that I have is from Ruby Kisses. This is the Ruby Kisses Shimmer Fragrance Mist, And this one is in the scent Vanilla Butter. Now I do have, I want to say I might have another color. They do have this in 2 other colors if I'm not mistaken. I think they have like a silver and maybe like a rosy champagne color. You can shake them up and look, like, sis, come on. Like the Tom Ford body oil, I think that's what it is. I know that's popular. And then the Anastasia body oil, that's popular as well. But sis, for a few dollars, you can still get that glow. So you have this. Absolute New York has a body shimmer oil, and this is glass honey. So it does come in several different colors, and I got the color True Bronze, and it does come with a pump. And then last but not least, Absolute New York, they have these Silk Glow Butter Balms, and it's supposed to hydrate, highlight, and glow your skin. I know, what is that brand called? Makeup by Mitchell. I know he has one that's really popular on TikTok, and I want to get my hands on that. But I seen these, I want to say these were $8. I think I hauled these to you all. So I have 2 shades. It does come in 3 shades. I picked up True Bronze, and then I have Champagne Gold. So I'm just going to put some on here. I'm just going to spread it across, because not just your makeup needs to be glowing, your body needs to glow as well. So look at that. Oh yeah, you want to make sure you get your collarbone, because that's what's going to be standing out the most. And then we want to make sure we get our shoulder. If you're doing like an off the shoulder dress, you want to make sure you get your shoulder. If you can't get the back, have somebody get it. Look at that glow. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get in here. Oh, this is perfect, y'all. And then you can actually see the glow when you're outside in the sun. So you can use this like all summer long. I would use this all year long. I ain't gotta just use it for summer. Look at it glowing on my arm. Make sure you get that breast part, because he needs something to look at. Okay, and then I'm gonna spray the Ruby Kisses, just to give a nice little glow. This is the color for the Absolute New York. So let's try to dab some of that on and see what that do. Okay. So nice. Last but not least, the glitter. This is the final look. What do you all think? I wanted to do a wear test, but I don't have time. But I could definitely do this look over again. I hope you guys enjoyed this here video. I hope this video was helpful. And if you are getting married soon, comment down below. Comment down below. Thumbs up this video. And make sure you check out my channel before you subscribe, so therefore you know that you want to stay here. And if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. And then I will talk to you guys in another video.